What's up, online shoppers? I just ordered this really great little garland for Valentine's Day decorations, and I'm excited to open it up and see what's in the box. Now, when I looked at it online, I thought it looked super cute, and I was excited to get it. This is really cool. It is made of wooden beads and raffia string and felt hearts. Oh my gosh, this is so adorable. Look at this. The garland is alternating red and pink felt hearts, and the felt has been stiffened up somehow, so it's not floppy. It really does a nice job of holding its shape. And there's these adorable little natural wooden beads. They haven't been painted with anything, and you just hang this up. It looks so adorably cute. This is definitely going to go on my mantle so that I can fully decorate for Valentine's Day. Now, I'm a teacher, and oftentimes I like stuff like this. This definitely would look really cute on a Valentine themed bulletin board. You could also hang it in an archway or in a window with some suction cups. The end of each of the garland comes in a double knot so that you can put a clip on the end of it. You could use a push pin to put this into the wall to do your decorations. The beads are really nice and uniform. They are nicely made. There isn't a rough edge on them. They've been really nicely sanded. And of course, this natural raffia twine also matches exactly with the wooden beads. It's really cool. Now I'm going to give you a close-up of it. So here is a close-up of this adorable little heart and wooden bead garland. The felt is really nice. It has been treated with something to make it really stiff, so it definitely holds its shape really well. So there's 3 red and 3 pink with a garland that stretches about 4.5 feet or 54 inches in length. You've got little ties at the end here, so you can easily just pin this onto a clip or a magnet, or you could staple it onto a bulletin board if that's what you were doing. The beads are really nice. They are wooden beads, natural, no paint on them, just a white wood, and the beads are really nicely finished. Like a lot of times when you buy these craft rustic kind of pieces, the beads are rough and not well finished, but these are smooth and uniform, and the color is beautiful. I'm so impressed with this. I think this is going to be an awesome touch to my Valentine's Day decorations, and I'm probably going to order another one so I can use it in my classroom on my Valentine's themed bulletin board. This would also look really cute stretched along a fireplace. It also would look super cute tacked along a banner on your stairway. Just an adorable way to decorate. I'm super happy with this. I can't wait to put it in place and put it in action. This little heart and wooden bead garland is definitely going to be a family favorite at my house. What's up, everyone? Thanks for stopping by my YouTube channel. I really appreciate you taking the time to check out my product reviews. It means a lot. Now, if you want to get your hands on that really great product I just showed you, I've linked it for you in the description below. Make sure you don't miss any more fresh product reviews by clicking subscribe and turning on your notifications. That way you'll get notified every time I post fresh content. And if you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up, because that way YouTube knows you want to see more of my content. By the way, don't forget to cannonball and do what you love.